Hello everyone, and welcome to the review of the Logitech Prodigy keyboard G213. And this is a RGB so-called gaming keyboard, but it's not like a real gaming keyboard because it doesn't have mechanical keys, which I do not like because of their noise. And I like this type of keyboard, which is more like a multimedia RGB keyboard. And let's take a quick look at it. So it has a very good response time. It's designed to take water, and it has multimedia functions and a lot of color combinations. Nicely packed, no noise keys, and let's remove the cable from here. Very thick USB cable, textile braided, really nice. And we get some kind of manuals, instructions, or whatever, and that's the bundle. And I'm going to remove it from this plastic bag. A keyboard, it's really nice, solid. It does twist a bit, but not by much. It has, of course, adjustments for the leaning angle. It has a large foam piece around here, so it will not slip on your desk. It will not slip away when you push it too hard. The integrated wrist pad is not removable. It's one piece, as you can see. There is no way to take this off, so you are stuck with it. If you don't like this kind of thing, well, tough luck, you cannot remove that. But otherwise, it's a nice keyboard. It has good travel distance. It's not very long, neither short. It's just appropriate. It's rather silent, not that noisy. And you get these nice multimedia keys. And I'm going to turn my video light, will make it dimmer, and I'm going to connect this USB plug to my computer here, and we should get some lights. I'm going to make it even more darker here. This should be a bit better, and when it starts with random color changing. And we can use this button to turn on or off the light. We have this profile button to change various profiles, and we need to install the app to control this, as it has a control app. So let's take a quick look through the app. So it has profiles that you can change. It has various things like building macros, and okay, it's a community. We are getting too social with this stuff. No, I will not help. I'll decide later. Okay, and I've got it. I still got it. Alright, and here's my keyboard. And it has an effect that is called fixed. When I have installed the app, as until now it was flashing all the colors, and now I can select basic colors here and they will stay like that. Or I have this custom one and I can choose whatever kind of color I want, and here the main color and how gradual it should be. All of that is here, and I have this sync lighting option, and if you have several Logitech devices, you can sync them and they will have the same color. Anyway, on effects I have fixed cycle, color wave, breathing, screen sampler, and audio visualizer. So it should flash by the music, and this is flashing by music. And to make it more interesting, you have a lot of customization. You can actually mix the effect with the fixed color. You have a background color. So it's pretty nice, pretty nice. And you can do a lot of stuff from here. You have this freestyle mode, which will do other things. You have colors on the device, 5 zones. You can select colored areas of your keys. So plenty of stuff here. And then we have these assignments, and you can do other programming options, short or hotkeys. If you want to program some functions here, then you have this key customization option. You also have actions here, and you can do some things. And you have the game mode, and this will disable, for instance, the window key, so you do not press this accidentally. What I like a lot about this illuminated keyboard is that the light bleed is minimum, so you get the keys and you don't get that annoying light that's coming between the keys and blinding you with dozens of rows and columns that actually light up the keys. By using the app, you can also create zones and fill groups with your colors very easy. So I can adjust areas really quick, just like that, and I can change the colors. Although you cannot change the color of one single key. And now a very important test for me: if I unplug it and plug it back in, will it remember what I have set up? Yes, it's still the red keyboard. Multimedia keys also work directly with YouTube from the browser. Volume for Windows, nice, so everything is there. Mute, everything works properly. If you do not use the app, or if you do not want to use the app and you still want to have some control over the keys, well, it's actually simple. You can turn this on, and while it's on, you can press the on-off button for the background lights, and I can select now key 1, and that puts it in mode 1 of colors. Then I have the second profile, then the third profile, and each one changes the color and how things move around here. And with the plus and minus sign here, I can change the speed of the flashing lights, something like that. And if I select profile 5 and 4, and with the plus 1, I can increase the speed, decrease the speed. And with 0, I can change the modes, and I can select a static color. For instance, I can select red, and it's now steady red. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this quick video. Be sure to follow my next uploads, and until then, see you and bye bye.